Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hope everyone is well. In today's video, I will show you the driver download and installation of the Pantum M6700DW printer. So stay tuned. Now we will download the driver and complete the installation. Type the printer model in the browser and search for the driver. Click on the link and right here the printer model and click the search button and download the second one. After downloading, we will go to the folder and click on the driver and follow the instruction and complete the installation. Click check mark, next, and here you see three options. You can install using three options, but I am installing the printer using USB, so I click on USB. Installation complete. I will print a page. It was complete. This is a duplex printer, so I will print duplex print. Now I will copy a page and set the page size, look like this, and press the photocopy button. Now I will scan a page. For that we will click on the scan icon and set the page. You can scan look like this option. If you want, you will select PDF or image, then you will click OK. Scanning the file. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.